BSc थर्ड ईयर का यूनिट 4 इंग्लिश मीडियम फोटोकेमिस्ट्री। Photochemistry, definition of photochemistry: when the study of rate of reaction and mechanism of reaction is observed with presence of light, then the branch of chemistry is known as photochemistry. In the study of photochemistry, rate of reaction and mechanism of reaction in the presence of light is known as photochemistry. Photochemical reaction that are take place in the presence of light are known as photomerization. Photochemical reaction. Example of photochemical reaction: H2 plus Cl2. 2 gives product to HCl in the presence of light. H nu. H Planck constant, nu frequency. Second example है and that means many molecules of monomers C2H2. H nu CH2H2 whole की power n. Examples of polymer है 2HBr, decomposition of 2HBr, H2 plus Br2. When visible and ultraviolet light is incident, a reaction mixture 200 nanometer to 800 nanometer wavelength, then the reacting molecule gets excited and undergo chemical reaction, and such reaction is known as photochemical reaction. When the chemical reaction takes place in the presence of light, high energy radiation, light, gamma ray, X ray, then such chemistry is known as radiation chemistry. Normally reaction are of two types: thermal reaction, photochemical reaction. Thermal reaction that takes place in the presence of temperature are known as thermal reaction. Those reaction in the presence of temperature, जो टेम्परेचर की प्रेजेंस में जो रिएक्शन होगी वो क्या है? थर्मल रिएक्शन है. When temperature is increased in this reaction, there is increase in transitional energy of the molecule. Temperature increase, translational energy of the molecule क्या होगी? Increase होगी. The thermal reaction can be example of thermal reaction following as H2 gas plus I2 gas in the presence of temperature 2HI gas. Example number 1. Example number 2. N2 gas plus 3H2 gas in the presence of temperature 2NH3 gas. PCl5 gas decomposition in the presence of temperature PCl3 gas plus PCl2 gas. PCl5 का डिकम्पोजिशन करोगे तो PCl3 और Cl2 प्लस। थर्मल रिएक्शन आर नॉट thermal reaction are not selective in nature. With in the increase is temperature, the energy of all the molecule will increase. Such reaction can also takes place in dark mass. Photochemical reaction. जो चैप्टर के अंदर मेन है वो फोटोकेमिकल है, फोटोकेमिस्ट्री, फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शन. इन सच रिएक्शन initially structure across in the light. The phenomenon is known as interaction of substance with light or interaction of light with substance. This can be shown by following diagram. I naught, IA और IT वही आ रहा है. I naught है इंसिडेंट ऑफ फोटोन इंटेंसिटी. तो आई नॉट इज इक्वल टू आई आर प्लस आई ए प्लस आई टी. आई नॉट इज इक्वल टू आई ए प्लस आई टी. It is evident by above equation that when light is increased, फिर नेक्स्ट डायग्राम है एच न्यू ए बी. लाइट एब्जॉर्ब की तो ए बी स्टार. अब ए बी लोअर एनर्जी स्टेट, ए बी हाई एनर्जी स्टेट, और डेल इज चेंज इन एनर्जी. डेल इज इक्वल टू एच न्यू. एच प्लैंक कांस्टेंट, न्यू फ्रीक्वेंसी. केमिकल रिएक्शन which are takes place in presence of light can be shown as follows. Photo dissociation. When light is incident on HBr, it is dissociate into H2 plus Br2. It is known as photo dissociation. 2 HBr, H nu, H2 plus Br2. Photo addiction. When bromine is added on heat, it is known as photo addition. Tetraphenyl ethylene प्लस Br2, तो Br2 डबल बॉन्ड पे कनेक्ट हुआ, एक 1 Br 1 Br, डबल बॉन्ड टू कन्वर्ट सिंगल बॉन्ड. नेक्स्ट है फोटोपॉलीमराइजेशन रिएक्शन. व्हेन एच न्यू एंड विजिबल लाइट is incident on acetylene, then polyacetylene is formed and CH2H2 H nu CH2H2 all के power n polyacetylene. Isomerization. When light is incident on fumaric acid, it is changed into malic acid. It is known as photo isomerization. Fumaric acid in the presence of light to gives product malic acid. Photosynthesis. In the presence of light, water and CO2 react to give carbohydrate and O2. This is known as photosynthesis. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2 in the presence of light 2 gives C6H6O6 plus O2 gas release. C6H12O6 is the carbohydrate. CO2 carbon dioxide, H2 water in the presence of light, C6H12O glucose and fructose in the example of carbohydrate. नेक्स्ट अपन पढ़ेंगे डिफरेंस बिटवीन फोटोकेमिकल एंड थर्मल रिएक्शन. ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं. फोटोकेमिकल्स और थर्मल रिएक्शन में डिफरेंस क्या है, ऐसा मेन डिफरेंस. थर्मल रिएक्शन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ टेम्परेचर, फोटोकेमिकल इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइट.